step into the Kia 2019 Niro Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.